Hello Jutta family. We are inside the enclosure where Leonidas is just moved out of. Ioannis is taking the stones out, preparing the floor for cats. The little lot here is very nosy or watching. They're gonna get new neighbors. And then after he's done the stones, we're going to treat the floor with the natural organic medicines, a powder that kills fleas and any other bugs. So this is what is happening at the moment. This bit is new. This had to be excavated to make this big enclosure here. So this is the bit you don't see. It's all the preparations that happen before the babies get moved. And the lovely kittens are super nosy. Everything else is quiet. Removing the larger stones. It's very hot, as you can see. You can see Sillogos at the back. He's cleaning the pens. Look at these nosy little babies. I'll be very curious to see how they react to the new neighbors that will be cats like them. There goes little spider. So thank you very much, Jutta family, for all your support. A lot goes on behind the scenes before you get to see the end product or the animals. Bye bye for now.